Anjani Interior Design Workshop is a platform or studio focused on interior design, typically offering a range of services related to designing interior spaces for residential, commercial, or other projects. Here are some key points that might describe the activities and services offered by Anjani Interior Design Workshop. Interior design services, providing consultation and planning services for interior design, helping clients create aesthetically pleasing and functional spaces. Customization, offering design solutions tailored to the needs and preferences of clients, including color selection, materials, and layout. Workshops and training, hosting classes or workshops for individuals interested in learning about the basics of interior design, techniques, trends, and tools used in the design process. Project portfolio, showcasing previously completed projects to demonstrate their design capabilities and creativity. Collaboration with vendors, working with various suppliers and manufacturers of building materials, furniture, and decor to provide quality products to clients. Online consultations, providing remote consultation services for clients who cannot visit the studio in person. Would you like more specific information about particular services or how the workshop operates?